Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add guests in your Notion. So this is very simple and straightforward. Just show you right now. Click on share and here type email address of the person that you want to add as guest. So I will type the email address of this person real quick and then simply select if you want them to have a full access. So that means they can edit, suggest, comment and share with others, or they can edit plus, so this is edit, suggest and comment, or they can comment, suggest and comment, or they can only view. So as guests, it is probably suitable to pick one of these two options, so can view or can comment. So I will select can view and select invite. Now simply this person, as you can see, invite sent to correct15@gmail.com, and that means that this guy will be invited to can view, so basically as guest. This is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.